Alright, what we have here is a kind of a rare generator. It's Teledyne TELAN. This is one of the smaller ones. It turns propane into $30 at about, it says 14.4 there volts DC, but it's 12 volts more or less when you figure it, to charge a battery. I haven't been able to test it because there's a regulator that's missing. That's a filter right there. I've yet to purchase it. So take a look inside here. There's a proprietary connector. It's unobtainium basically, but there is a way to route around it. So here's some of the gauges. Some of the inner workings. Oh, maybe that's the you know what? That is the valve I've been looking for. Never realized I had it all this time. Oh, no, it's not. It's stuck in there. Never mind. But the one I'm looking for is orange. It goes on the outside. This so see that little white stuff right there? I think it's asbestos. I'll explain here in a minute. So I'm mad because I can't find an instruction or user's operator's manual for this thing. There's another video on YouTube where a guy has a 50-watt version of this. He shows how to start it. You basically put a little ignition under each of these mushroom cap looking things, and it sucks it down and it catches the propane on fire. And then the way a thermoelectric situations operate is there's a heat differential which causes electricity to move, and the cooling fins here you see cause a heat discrepancy, and that makes the voltage. So